So like I said, we all have apps on our phone. Our phones come with apps automatically installed, and then we download more all the time. Apps that might help us make videos or help us on social media or help us navigate our life on the daily, tell us where to go when we need to be there. Trading apps, dating apps. And when anybody downloads Tapestri, as we all know, it's a free app. Anybody can put it on their phone. And what the app does is it taps into the location info, that mobile location info that all these other apps on your phone are getting. Tapestri taps into that mobile location info and pays the user for that data, which really is value that their phone is creating. And all they have to do is set their location permissions to always to get paid those daily dividends as they go about their day. And then if they turn notifications on for the Tapestri app, they can also get the tap to earn notices to make more than just the automatic daily dividend. But I want to share with you guys a few. How many of you have gotten into your back office lately to look at some of the new resources that you have access to? So as an affiliate, the app is free. Anybody can use it, whether they're an affiliate or not. That does not matter. Everybody should have Tapestri on your phone. Make sure as an affiliate that you're using the same email on your Tapestri app account that you use on your Tapestri affiliate account. Those are two individual accounts. The app is free. Anybody can install it and create an app account, just like you would a Facebook account. That starts paying you those daily dividends. Your affiliate account is on a website. You get access to a back office and an admin panel that tracks and records anybody you might share the app with. You're looking at your affiliate back office. This is what it looks like here. And it gives you access to, like I said, your earnings reports, people you invite to download the app, if they have downloaded the app, if they haven't downloaded the app, all that information, your own profile, and then resources. And tonight is Tap In Tuesday marketing. We talk about things that you can do to market and promote Tapestri, have fun with it. But so the tab that we're going to focus on tonight is the resources tab. And the main thing I want to focus on is under resources, you have a tab called resources, then videos and media. Those are the three we're going to focus on tonight. Before we go into those though, I do recommend, this is a free app. Anybody who puts it on their phone, like I said, 5 times already tonight, has the ability to tap in and win, tap in and actually earn for the value their phone is creating in the marketplace. You carry the phone around, you're paid a pricey penny for it, most likely. You're constantly updating it and upgrading it. So why not tap in and have the phone pay you back for the value it's bringing to the market for all these companies that you're looking at right now. When you open your phone, how many apps do you have on it? All of those apps, majority of them were free. Some of them you might have paid $1.99 or $5.99 or something like that for, but the majority of them are free. Every free app, Snapchat, Twitter, Uber, Lyft, Google Navigation, Apple Maps, whatever they may be, those free apps are all making money on the data that that phone is giving them. Tapestri allows you to make money on the data that phone is creating. It's very simple. When you share it, you get recurring revenue for each share. So just like Venmo, we have a referral program where you can get a one-time bonus if you're a free app customer, and you can get recurring monthly bonuses if you're an upgraded affiliate. So if you upgrade to become an affiliate and pay the admin fee, which is $19.95 per year, if you're in Geos 1 and 2, $4.95 per year if you're in Geo 3, then you have an upgraded, an added affiliate account, the one you're looking at here, under resources. You have a social media. I like to follow our social media. Matt is a great marketer. He does a great job of posting fun little snippets that are all about data, the cookies on your unpaid app and browsers, you know, just little fun things like that. Unpaid data, yeah, it's not for me, dog. I mean, he's posting fun stuff. When you left Tapestri location off all day, I loved this one. Because again, if the location is off and you haven't set it to always, the app isn't able to work, right? That's what turns it on. So set it to always, so you're not missing out. But I like to follow these because these give me fun ideas of things that I can then share. And I can also share these posts as well with my referral link in the post, in my post on Instagram or Facebook. And on Facebook, you can download these photos so you have access. Those are resources at your fingertips every single day that are being created. So new resources. In addition to that, under the resources tab, you have a lot of information here at your fingertips that you can access. But for marketing and promotions, I like to go to media. And this one actually you can download and share on your social media. Now, if you know how to use Facebook stories, Instagram reels, Instagram stories, if you have TikTok, you can actually add a clickable link to these so that when somebody clicks on them, they'll be taken right to your Tapestri referral link. So for example, you as an affiliate have your in-app referral link. That's the one I really promote. I don't promote tapestri.io/my username link anymore, really. I use the one that's going to take them right to do what I would download this. I would do most of this from my phone because it's just so much easier. I download this onto my phone, right? And then when I upload it onto my Facebook story, for example, or Instagram story or reel, I can put a clickable link right here if I'm using Instagram, and then I can share it on my Facebook story. And when I share it from Instagram onto my Facebook story, there will be a clickable link in your Facebook story as well. And when people click on open the app, for example, they'll be taken right to your in-app referral link, and they can tap in to earn more, right? To get the app. Now, if you don't know how to get your referral link, you're going to open up the app itself. Here, let me see if I can actually connect my phone to Zoom. Yay, finally we did it. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my Tapestri app. This is how you'll find your referral link. You open up the app, you go down to refer friend to earn a bonus, and you will see refer.tapestri.io/C if you're a free customer, /A if you're an active affiliate, and then your username. Now, how I do it is I'll click on refer now, and then I'm going to message it to somebody. I just copy in the message here. I'll copy this link, and then I've saved it in my notes, so I always have access to that link. Okay, so now I'm going to go to, let's see, in media. You guys would be seeing the same thing if you go from your back office and you go into resources and then click on media. And I'm going to go into here. So this is the 5-second video, and up here I can go ahead. Excuse me. And oh, you know what? Since I am the owner of this, I'm going to save it to the camera roll. Would you like to add photos? Okay. Now I'm going to go back to my photos. It's saved in here. Okay. I'm going to go to Instagram. We're going to say, oh, that's nice. Halloween. We're going to So I'm going to say, I want to post a story. I'm going to go into my photos, add more. There we go. Okay. So now it's here already. Now I'm going to actually go up here and click this little kind of smiley happy face. And I have the ability to add a link. So I clicked on link. I think I've copied. Yeah, copy and paste. And then I can customize the sticker and say open app or get the app or whatever I want it to say. Get paid. Okay. And I can put it right here. Now I like to add a little activity here. Let's add some maybe sparkles. No, you know what? Let's add some arrows. So now when I post this to my story, I'm going to go ahead and push post. I would actually say post it to my Facebook too. I don't know if you guys can see that where it says at the bottom under Facebook stories. I'm going to confirm and share. And now it's posted on my story. Boom. When they click on get the app, visit link comes up. They can now go right to my referral, type their email in and get the app right there. Okay. So that's just a fun way to share on stories. Now, if I go to my Facebook, oops, it's telling me it's already shared on my Facebook story. I can go here and I can see it on my story. And same thing on Facebook. That's how you share a clickable link from Instagram to Facebook, is to share it on Instagram first and then tell it to share onto your Facebook story as well. So that's just a really quick way. And again, you have access to all of those different media files.